Today, we will listen to the topic, my favorite photographs.
Who is she?
She is my sister.
What's her name?
Her name is Jennifer.
Where is she in this photograph?
She's in Toronto.
What is that building behind her?
She's standing in front of the CN Tower.
It is one of the highest towers, right?
Yes, it is the famous and iconic landmark of Canada.
Wow, what does CN stand for?
It means Canadian National. The CN Tower held the record for the world's tallest freestanding structure for 32 years, from 1975 until 2007 when it was surpassed by the Burj Khalifa.
Amazing, I'll go there one day. I'm currently itching to travel after seeing your photo.
Sure, don't hesitate, you won't be disappointed.